Hello everybody, I am Kiran Kumar, physics lecturer. Today topic is mutual induction of coaxial solenoid. Now, considering two coaxial solenoids of length L, and this is the length of the coaxial solenoid. Here R1 is the radius of the inner solenoid S1. So this is the inner solenoid with the blue pen, and outer solenoid of radius is R2 and it is taken as S2. Now we will discuss step by step about the inner solenoid and outer solenoid. This is the coaxial solenoid. So for this, here R1 is the radius of the inner solenoid and R2 is the radius of the outer solenoid, and area of the inner solenoid A1 is equal to pi R1 square. Here area of the outer solenoid A2, which is equal to pi R2 square, and number of turns in the inner solenoid is capital N1 and number of turns in the outer solenoid is capital N2, and number of turns per unit length, so N1, which is equal to capital N1 by L. Number of turns per unit length for the inner solenoid, and outer solenoid is N2, which is equal to capital N2 divided by L. And current in the inner solenoid is I1 and current in the outer solenoid is I2. Magnetic field B of the solenoid is B is equal to mu naught Ni. So mu naught N1 I1 for the inner solenoid, and outer solenoid this is B2, which is equal to mu naught N2 I2. This is B1 inner solenoid. Okay, so first radius, second area, and third number of turns, and fourth number of turns per unit length, and magnetic induction of the inner solenoid and outer solenoid is completed. Now here, if current I2 in the outer solenoid S2, current in the outer solenoid, so I2 current in the outer solenoid S2, then magnetic flux link in the inner solenoid S1. So flux is directly proportional to the current. So the flux is phi1 and corresponding current is I2. Next, N1 is the number of turns in the primary coil. That's why N1 phi1, which is directly proportional to the I2. N1 phi1, which is equal to M12 I2. Here M12 is the coefficient of mutual induction of the first coil with respect to second coil. So here M12 coefficient of mutual induction of first solenoid with respect to second solenoid. Now we can write here the values I am going to replace, that is M12 I2, which is equal to N1 phi1, and N1, which is equal to, we can here write small n1 into L, that is small n1 into L, and the flux phi1 is equal to B2 into E1. Because of current is I2, that's why magnetic induction is B2. B2 is directly proportional to I2. So then we can replace these values in the above equation. The resultant equation is M12 I2, which is equal to N1L into phi1 value. Now I am writing, that is B2 A1. So here the values I am replacing: M12 I2, which is equal to N1L. B2 value is mu naught N2 I2 into A. I am writing. See here A1, but the area of S1 and S2 are very near because of the wire is wounded on the another wire in a solenoid. That's why here A1 is equal to A2 is equal to approximately considering as A. Now continuation here, I2 current is get cancelled in both sides. So mutual induction of first coil with respect to second coil is mu naught N1 N2 AL. This is taken as equation number 1. Okay, next, if I1 current in inner solenoid in S1 solenoid, then flux phi2 in outer solenoid, that is taken as S2. Okay, so then the flux is directly proportional to the current. So current is I1, flux link with the outer solenoid is phi2. So N2 phi2, number of turns, is directly proportional to the I1. So N2 phi2, which is equal to M21 I1. Here M21 is the coefficient of mutual induction of second coil with respect to first coil. Coefficient of mutual induction of second with respect to first solenoid. So then now we can write M21 I1, which is equal to N2 phi2, where N2 is equal small n1, here N2 which is equal small n2 into L, N2, sorry for the mistake, L, and phi flux which is equal to B1 into A2, because of I1 current magnetic flux is B1. So M21 I1, which is equal to N2L and B1 A2. So M21 I1, which is equal to N2L and mu naught N1 I1, area is, I am writing equal area A, almost same area I am considering A. Okay, and here B1 magnetic flux mu naught N1 I1. So here I1 current is get cancelled. Here we got M21, that is mu naught N1 N2 AL is taken as equation number 2. We can understand clearly here. So from equation 1 and 2, M12 which is equal to M21 which is equal to mu naught N1 N2 AL. So that M mutual induction which is equal to M12 is equal to M21. M12 is the mutual induction of first coil with respect to second coil, and M21 is the mutual induction of second coil with respect to first coil. So common formula M which is equal to mu naught N1 N2 AL is taken as equation number 3. This is the mutual induction of the coaxial solenoid. Thank you.